If you're convicted in court of a wet reckless, you will have to do a DUI class. At minimum, you'll have to do a 12-hour DUI class, which takes about 6 weeks. And the good news is that you can do those online now, including the intake online. Currently, we're not recommending doing those classes through the Marin DUI school because they've had a lot of issues during COVID. They dropped the ball and they abandoned all their clients and all the attorneys. And my understanding is they're up and running again. But their commitment to helping people was shown to be about a negative 100. And so the courts were furious with them as well. So we just stopped having people go there. You don't have to go to a Marin County school if you get a wet reckless or a regular DUI or a multiple offense or anything. In Marin, you don't have to do that in Marin County. You can go to another county. And the good news is that the department that for the state that regulates these DUI schools has said that online, Zoom type classes, just video classes will continue indefinitely for the DUI schools. So, San Francisco's got a great school. They do it online. There's other ones that we like. And then some of them, is taking about 4 or 5 weeks to get an intake appointment. So if you need to do your intake really quick right away, if you've got to get into that DUI school right away, we've got one or two that are very good at signing people up quickly. So we've got lots of different options here. It's important to know because the question was, do you have to do a DUI class if you get a wet reckless in Marin County? And sometimes you have to do a longer DUI class, the 3-month school, because if you don't win your DMV hearing in order to get your license reinstated on a restricted basis, either for a work license or ignition interlock license, and that the ignition interlock license allows you to drive anywhere, anytime, you would have to be enrolled in and eventually complete the 3-month DUI school. And we can walk you through what needs to happen, when it needs to happen, and answer all the why questions, and the hows and the whens. So, feel free to reach out with any questions like this, and we'll walk you through it. And we do a free consultation for anybody who wants to know more about their situation with court, with DMV, with basically everything.